Hello friends, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is Virtual Tech Chat. I am Pawan. Today I am going to show you how to install TWRP custom recovery on this Samsung JNS Prime J106H device, and also how to root this device using Magis Manager. So let's get start our video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me. So first of all, you need to open your setting and go to about device and software info options. Now you need to tap on build number for unlock your developer mode. Now you can find your developer mode on your setting application. Now open your developer options and enable OEM unlock option. Enter your password pattern of pin in here and enable your OEM. And also you need to enable USB debugging option too. So then as the next step, we need to turn off our device for boot into our download mode and flash our TWRP recovery. So I'm going to power off my device. Now you need to press your power key, volume down key and home key together until your download mode will appear on the screen. Then you need to press your volume up key once again for continue to download mode. Okay friends, now you need to open your Odin application and load your TWRP recovery to the AP partition. Click on your recovery file and click on open. Again go to options and turn off auto reboot and F reset time. Okay guys, then you need to connect your USB cable to the phone and PC. You need to have a working USB cable for this process. Then your phone will identify on the Odin application as a COM. So then you can click on start button on your Odin application for flash this TWRP custom recovery on your phone. You can see our custom recovery flashing process is completed. It shows as a green screen on Odin application. So then you can remove your battery and reboot your phone into TWRP recovery. Okay guys, then you need to press your volume up key, home key and power key for boot into your TWRP recovery. Here you can see our recovery is loaded successful. Now go to install option and find your Magis file and click on it. Now swap to confirm patch. Now your Magis file will be flashed on your phone. Then you can reboot your phone and install Magis application for gain root access to your phone. Now click on reboot system option. So then you can install Magis Manager application for gain root permission to your applications. Please don't update this Magis Manager because updated version doesn't support to this phone. So you can see I have access to all features of Magis Manager including modules. So thank you all for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit on like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Join with us.